the President of the Republic of Uganda and his cabinet, where your daughter is. Acoli sits with them together for thinking of these people, our people in this country. Now, at the moment, we are here as the RDC of Agago launching it in Adilang Town Council. For this net, we need to keep it. You know, when NRM wants population, they want people productive. You cannot do anything if you are sick. So the issue of malaria, we need to fight it together. If they give you net, please, the parents, the women who are at home, cover your children well. Whether you have quarrel with your husband, please, first cover the child before you go to sleep, because you will have problems when you are seeing it. So I would like to launch this officially today, and I'm happy with the Minister of Health and VHT who are there that this net should go direct. They must not change the use of the net to take fish. If we get you, and that one, there's no negotiation, because you, a person who is bringing insecurity, because you are bringing insecurity to this country, so we shall treat you like somebody who is not a good person. So I think with the power invested to me as the representative of the president, I'd like to launch this officially and give this old man a net, who is even a veteran, and I'm happy that you are now home. You have to go and cover yourself with this net. Thank you very much.